a mini vlog from yours truly, Pressy. Hi! Now I will going to teach you the sign language for the colors. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. So we have red. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, R sa lips. Red. 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 Okay, so we have blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Letter B. Okay. B-L-U-E, blue. Next, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Green. Again, we have red, green, and blue. Next is yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. So we have orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Other uses orange. Orange. Pero mas dali siya kay same man po din siya fire, no? So mas dali siya orange. 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 Next, violet. V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. Ang iban magamit violet. Pero ako gagamit na lang ni violet. Okay, then we have brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Ano din sa panit? Brown. Next, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Or black. Basta ka ng something like black, no? B-L-A-C-K, black. Black. Okay. Then white. W-H-I-T-E, white. Tanan nga finger, no? White. Pwede po white. White. Unipon. No? W-H-I-T-E, white or white. Okay, so we have pink. P-I-N-K, pink. Nabitang sa foundation no pink. P-I-N-K, pink. Then gray. G-R-A-Y, gray. Ano na pang lugod? G-R-A-Y, gray. Next, we have gold and silver. G-O-L-D, gold. G-O-L-D, gold. And S-I-L-V-E-R, silver. S-I-L-V-E-R, silver. I hope you've learned. Bye-bye.